Good day, children. I'm Patricia Dominic with your new lesson for English grammar. Your book is Junior English, and the topic is regular and irregular verbs. Children, remember we have learned about what verbs are. Verbs are action words or the words which shows actions. Verbs have different forms, and those forms are also based on different rules and are divided into two different types, regular and irregular. Each verb has base form, then the past form and past participle forms. These are the three main forms of the verb which we all must know before using it in a sentence. Children, when we make sentences or tenses, we use different form of verbs to show actions or whatever the action which is mentioned in the sentence. We have to choose correct form of verb. So they are divided, as I told you, into two types, regular and irregular. Look at these example. Number one is act. Act's past form is acted and past participle form is acted again. Okay, over here we have added ed and changed it into another form of verb. Now look at the second example. It is sing. To sing, and when we divide it into past form, we make it sang. Instead of adding ed, we are totally changing the word and the spellings, and it will be sang. And past participle form will also be changed, and that is sung. So three different forms of verbs are sing, sang, sung. So the first one, act, acted is regular, and sing, sang and sung is irregular form of verb. Why it is regular? Because we are adding only two letters like ed, and we are changing the form of the verb. And in the second example, we are changing the whole word and the spellings and making the past form and then the past participle form. So that's why it is irregular. Now the types of formation in regular verbs, that it is a fixed pattern, and in the base form of verb we add d, ed or ied. And in the irregular verb, there is no fixed pattern is followed, and we are not following the same rule which is followed in the regular form of verb. So this is the difference in regular and irregular verbs. Now see the examples. Regular verbs. In regular verbs, what we do, base form plus ed. In these forms of verbs, they are mostly the words or the verbs which is ended in a consonant form of letter. There is no e in the end, or so we are adding ed to make the past form of the verb, and same word will be used as a past participle form. Act, acted and acted. He acts, he acted and he has acted in the past form, past participle form. Ban, banned and then again banned. Number 3 is call, called and called. I call, I called her, I have called her. In 3 different forms of the tenses, we are using 3 different forms of verbs. So these are the regular form of the verbs. Number 4 example is drowned, drowned, and again drowned. What we did, we simply added ed with the base form. This is base form. Here we added ed and make it acted, and then again we added ed and make it acted. So these are the regular forms of the verb. Now look at this one. Here in the base form, regular form of verb, base form plus d, and here are the verbs which are ending with e. Look at this one, like, L-I-K-E, like. Here we have added d only and make it liked. He likes mangoes, he liked mangoes, and he had liked mangoes, liked. Then again look at the another example, agree, agreed, agreed. We are simply adding d. Care, cared, and cared again. So you can see that regular verbs, it is the second type of regular verbs which are ending with e, and we are simply adding d with the base form. Bake, baked, and past participle form is baked. Okay, look at these examples of verb. These verbs are ending with I, and we are adding ied with the base form, omitting y, and instead of y we are adding ied. Dry, dried, and again dried. Bury, buried, again buried. Study, studied, and studied. Marry, married, and married. Okay children, now what we have learned here, regular verbs have fixed patterns, and in regular verbs with the base forms we are adding d, ed, and id. And in irregular verbs there is no fixed pattern and cannot be formed by adding any fixed character. These are the fixed character which are added with verbs base form. So let's see what is the rule of irregular verbs. Now here irregular verbs are divided into 4 different groups. Group number 1 is, in group number 1 all 3 forms of verbs are same. We will see the examples of this also in the next slide. In group number 2, past and past participles are same. In group number 3, base and past participle forms are same. And in group 4, all 3 forms of verbs are different. So let's see the examples. Irregular verbs, group 1, all 3 forms of verbs are same. For example, base form is cut, past form is also cut, and past participle also cut. He cuts the vegetable, he cut the vegetable, past form. He has cut the vegetables, past participle form of sentence. Hit, he hit the ball, he hit the ball, he has hit the ball. So in all 3 type of sentences or tenses we are using the same form of verb. Hit, hit, hit. Then put, put, put. There are other examples also you can find in your book also. This is group number 2. Here the past and the past participles are same. Now look here, base form is bring, past form is brought, and past participle also brought. Feel, felt, felt. Lay, laid, laid. So you can understood how the group 2 has 2 forms same and the base form is different, but the 2 past and past participle forms are same. Look at group number 3 where base and past participle forms are same. Come, came, come. He comes, he came, he has come. Run. She runs, she ran, she has run. Sit. The dog sit, the dog sat, the dog has sit on the mat. Look at this group, group number 4. All three forms are different. Base form is begin, past form is began, and past participle is begun. Base form is choose, past is chose, and past participle is chosen. Base form is write, past is wrote, and past participle is written. So this is the fourth group of irregular verb. Let's revise what we have learned. Regular verbs have fixed pattern, irregular do not have fixed pattern. Regular verbs, in regular verbs we add D, ED and IED with the base form, and in irregular verbs cannot be formed by adding any fixed character. Then in irregular verbs there are four groups. Group 1, all three forms of verbs are same. Group 2, past and past participle are same. In group 3, base and past participle forms are same. And group 4, all three forms of verbs are different. Now children, let's make a list of regular forms of verb. In this forms of verb we have base verb and we are adding D. Admire, we looked out of the window and admired the scenery of snow-capped mountains. Celebrate, he celebrates, or in the past form he celebrated, or in the past participle he had celebrated his birthday party in the hotel. Declare, holiday declares or declared by the school, or holiday was declared on the national day. Solve, she solves, or she solved, or she has solved the sums very quickly. Refuse, he refuses, or he refused, or he has refused to admit his mistakes. Now let's make a list of regular forms of verbs where we are adding ed with the base verb. Award, awarded, and awarded. Major Aziz Bhatti was awarded Nishan-e-Haider. Accept, or accepted, and then again accepted. She accepted the gift from her friend. Inherit, she inherited the family business from her father. Perform, he performed very nicely on the stage. Then discover, America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. Now let's make a list of regular form of verbs where we are adding IED with the base form. Look at example number 1, apply. He applied for the position of manager. Reply, the company replied to his application. Copy, students copied the notes from the whiteboard. Study, they study late night to give exam in the morning. Occupy, air occupies or occupy space. So these are the examples of regular form of verbs where we are adding IED with the base form. Now children, let's do the homework. You will make a list of any 10 regular verbs with 3 forms. Then you will make a list of any 10 regular verbs with 3 forms irregular. Okay? You will make 2 lists. One list of 10 regular verbs with all 3 forms of verbs: base form, past form, and past participle form. Then you will make another list of 10 irregular verbs: base form, past form, and past participle form. Then question number 3 is, you will use 3 regular and 3 irregular verbs in your sentences. You will do all of this homework in your English language copy. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.